Sometimes, due to accidental settings changes or software glitches, your iPhone's display may appear to have unusual colors. But don't worry, we'll guide you through the steps to restore the natural color settings. So welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important tutorial that many of you might find helpful. We'll be showing you how to bring back the normal color settings on your iPhone. So, let's get started. First, open Settings. Then navigate to Accessibility. Then tap on Display and Text Size. From here, make sure Smart Invert as well as Classic Invert is turned off. After that, tap on Color Filters. Turn off color filters from here. Doing this will instantly fix this out. If the previous method didn't fix the issue, then let's move to the last one, which is reset all settings of your iPhone. To do so, open Settings. Navigate to General. Then tap of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then go for Reset all settings. And there you have it, folks. By following these simple steps, you can easily bring back the normal color settings on your iPhone. It's amazing how a few adjustments can restore the vibrant and accurate display that Apple intended. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone-related tips and tricks. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, may your iPhone display always shine with the right colors.